Now this one is to all Jamaicans celebrating our 50th celebration. I don't know if you're ready, boy.
I am ready. Are you ready? We are ready for the celebration.
I say, jump for Jamaica. Jump for Jamaica.
Greetings and salutations. I am here to talk to you about some things that are about to be taking place in the Toronto area. And but first I have three very simple questions. Now I hope that we don't have any roadblock with these questions. I hope you can answer them. Now first thing, do you know what is the difference between hot cocoa and cocoa tea? If you don't know the answer to this one, you especially need to listen all the way to the end. Second thing, when you're about to give somebody advice, do you often find yourself saying, well, my granny always used to tell me, say, and then you insert the advice? And third thing, when something terrible happens, do you find yourself skipping right past OMG and oh my God, and going to mercy, me can't believe that happened. Could they? Look there! If any of these things are true about you, then you need to be paying attention to some things that are about to be happening in the Toronto area, because Jamaica 50 Toronto is about to turn right up and buck. First thing, Thursday, May 17th at 7:20 a.m. on Metro Mornings on CBC Radio with Matt Galloway. They are going to be launching the official Jamaica 50 song. It's called the Jump for Jamaica All-Star Anthem, and Len D. Henry, who is the brand manager for Jamaica 50 Toronto, is going to be there. Now, I know that when I said Jamaica and song in the same sentence, for some reason people started hearing like, oh, Chiquitita. Do the dance if you know it. Hey, Chiquitita, but it's not like Chiquitita. Maybe 2012 Chiquitita. I mean, it's not Chiquitita, but the song has some of the biggest artists to come out of Jamaica or to be born to Jamaican parents. And you know, the born to Jamaican parents is very important, because even if you don't born in the island, the talent just continues going on for generations. Matter about people like Beanie Man, Cardinal Official. Matter about people like Marcia Griffith. Marcia is foundation. People like Etana, Krisha Turner, Leonardo Carmichael. Some of the biggest acts in the industry right now are on this song. So at 7:20 a.m. I don't care where you are. If you are eating oats and milk, you need to chew quietly. If you are in the bath, you need to wet up the house, run outside and turn up the radio. If you're in the car with the pitney, them tell them to put them fingers on them lips like this, because something very big is about to happen, because this is the first time the song is going to be played anywhere in the world. It will be available for download on iTunes, but please, you need to be present, because you know Jamaica, we like things fresh. We like to say, we did hear it when it just bust. So, oh, it's at 6:20 a.m. Jamaica time. And the reason I'm telling you this is because we're on the interwebs, so you can listen to it on the interwebs, so you can tune in from your. Second thing is the launch of the Summer SinTing. This is going to be on May 21st. Now, what is a Summer SinTing? You don't know day fear. It is a fair. You don't know fear. If you don't know fear, if you have never been to a Jamaican style fair, you need to come out, because part of your life is missing. Me talk about domino. Matter about Ludi. If you don't know how to play Ludi, if you don't know how to born in Ludi, please come to me and let me teach you. It is almost a national sport, and if you don't know, we're gonna have to kick you out. Ludi, me talk about celebrity. Actually, I walk up and down where you can talk to them, and you know this don't happen often because them very, very buck with the security. Me talk about celebrity. I give workshop, Jamaican culture, Jamaican food in the sunshine, because it's summer now and there is no more snow. You can wear shorts. Come and eat the Jamaican food in the sunshine. Oh, fashion show. You see this? I make it myself. And when I go to the fashion show, I'm coming out to win. I'm coming with my colors and I'm coming to win. And you see like, oh, this have a tail on it? This is a straight first place thing. So come for me, because I'm ready. Fine, I'm not going to be in the fashion show, but we're having fashion show. So come on, your colors. We are going to be judging. Jamaica, you know there is a song. You know if it's Jamaica, we have to have what? A song and a dance. There is a Jamaica 50 dance. Yes, and they will be teaching it there at the event all day. Come and learn the dance, and then when you go to the club now, you just go on like you make it up, do the choreography and mug up on people. That is what I do and how I'm acting in the club. I'm going to tell you where it is, but I don't know how to give Canadian directions yet. So I'm just going to read it, because I give directions according to like big yard, empty field, and like church. So walk past the Catholic church, and when you reach the empty field, we'll have the cricket pitch in there. Take a left, and then you got the big yard where the dog tie up on the blue string. That's how I give directions. So I'm going to tell you where it is. So May 21st, right? Victoria Monday. It's at Christie Pits, 750 Bloor West at Christie. So that's 750 Bloor West at Christie. We don't have east, west, north, and south in Jamaica, right? So all of this is lost on me, but I'm sure it means something to you, and eventually I will figure out what it means. So come out to the event, come down with food and talk up to the people, them and all of them type of thing. But first thing, tune in to the radio May 17th, 7:20 a.m., 6:20 Jamaica time, and listen to the launch of the song. Now, for the people who do not know, what is the difference between hot cocoa and cocoa tea? Hot cocoa usually come in a little sachet, or it come in a tin, and like it is a powder, and you mix it up and, you know, boom, bam, it nice and whatever. Cocoa tea is a ball. You get a ball of chocolate, and you have to grate that. And when you don't grate, you boil it down. And when you boil it down, it come with a film and oil upon the top. And your job as a responsible Jamaican is to take a piece of hard dough bread and interrupt that oil, soak up the tea, and then put it directly into your mouth. This is your civic duty as a Jamaican or a child of the diaspora. It's alright. Come to me, we'll teach you how to do all of them things there. So listen to the song. Come out to the event them. If you have any talents, brush up on them, because you're going to need them. I'm not going to tell you anymore. I don't want you hear me say, but brush up on them. And support all the Jamaica 50 event them into Toronto and anywhere else that you is. Yeah? I will see you at some of them. So take care of yourself. Take care of one another. I soon come.